Okay, we're going to talk about cause and effect. Of course, there are a lot of sequence examples in that story, but there were also a lot of causes and effects that resulted. Okay, so let's review what a cause and effect is. A cause is how or why something happens. So I am going to underline how and why. That's what a cause is. I'm going to draw a little arrow. An effect is what happens. Okay? So the cause comes first and the effect comes next. Okay? So we have a chart over here with a few examples of causes and effects. The first cause is hot steel gets cold. So right over here, we can find that on page 204. When steel gets cold, that's our cause, it gets cold. Our effect is what happens because of it. It gets hard. So that's what I'm going to put in the effect. The hot steel gets cold, so it gets hard. Okay? Our next example, I'm going to show you on another page. A worker wears a helmet and gloves. All right, I'm going to pause the video and go on to the next slide to show you the next page, okay?